Hello, this is Cashino. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I've just got a short video, self-portraits, using my favorite lens. It's a macro lens, but I use it for portraits. It's the Tokina 100mm. It opens up to 2.8, but I use it if I'm doing portraits and I want everything sharp. I can use between f11 as I did on this case. Because it's self-portraits, I need to use f11 to help me. f8 is fine, but I just found f11 gives it that extra sharpness. So it's like all-round sharpness within the pictures, and I'm very happy with the quality. I did do a video about, an extensive video about the Tokina 100, and it would be somewhere in the card above there. So if you do check in the card section above, you will see a link to that video. That was an old video, but you know, audio is not great, but hey, you still get a gist of what the Tokina 100 is all about. So I'm going to show you a slideshow now, so please review it and please subscribe, comment on this video. Thank you for watching, and do check out the Tokina 100 macro lens as I use it for portraits. Thank you once again. If you know something, share something. Cashino 1.